Alright, came out for no air conditioning. The condenser's working, but the fan's not turning on. So let's see what's causing that. Alright, so we got it jumped out. R to Y. Let's see if we got 24 volts in my X13 cooling speed tap. Which we do. Alright, and we have high voltage going to my blower motor. Alright, got the new motor. Let's get it replaced. Alright, let's take this outside and get this cleaned up. Alright, this thing's dirty. Look at that sheetrock dust come off of it. Looking much better now.